दिलेर ऑफिसर्स की कहानी को कहने का जिम्मा उठाया। Are we ready, everyone? Make some noise, because you have the real heroes coming up. This is the time. Calling upon the stage the very fine actors who took on the challenge to play the real born heroes of Operation Safed Sagar. Portraying Wing Commander P.S. Thanwa, aka Tony Thanwa, Jimmy Shanagil. As Flying Officer R.S. Dhaliwal, aka Dhali, and Flying Officer C.H. Baldreddy, aka Baldi. Please welcome Abhay Verma and Mihira Huja. As Flight Lieutenant Jitendra Sangwan, aka Sagi, and Flying Officer Amit Gupta, aka Goofy. Please welcome Staruk Raina and Arnav Haseem.
गोल्डन एरोज हैं, वो तीर जो निशाने पे ही लगते हैं। रिमेंबर बॉयज, लड़ाई हमारा मकसद नहीं है, मगर देश की हिफाजत करना हमारा फर्ज है।
Torquay Race 1, runway 27, wind 260 degrees at 10 knots, clear to land.
उन्हें लगा हमारे पहाड़ों पर कब्जा करके वो हमें रोक लेंगे। वो भूल गए कि हमारे पहाड़ों के ऊपर हमारा आसमान है और उस आसमान के रखवाले हैं हम, the golden arrows. So boys, kick the tires, light the fire. Let's fly.
Ladies and gentlemen, as squadron leader Ajay Ahuja, who embodies the motto "No man gets left behind," put your hands together for Sit Park!
and duty comes first, but बाकी सब जगह मैं, okay?
As Mrs. Alka Ahuja, please welcome Amrita Bakshi.
तुम बेफिक्र होके ड्यूटी पे, तुम देश की ताकत बनो, मैं हम दोनों की ताकत बनूंगी।
And as Mrs. Kamalpreet Thanwa, please welcome Tia Mirza.
सबसे मुश्किल काम नहीं है तुम्हें जंग के लिए विदा करना, सबसे मुश्किल काम है तुम्हें मुस्कुराते हुए विदा करना।
Thank you very much. Requesting gentlemen and ladies to please get together in the center as a family as they were and are in Operation Safed Sagar. And this is a wonderful opportunity, all of them together. Can we request all of you to just step one step back, my dear friends, for our wonderful friends? A little more. Just a second. Thank you very much. And what a spectacular treat to your eyes. But thank you, first of all, for being who you are, and big thanks for bringing this story to life. Thank you very much. Round of applause for our wonderful actors on stage. Imagine what the full experience would be like, yaar, and imagine what the real operation was like. Zara socho, जब हम इतने बड़े स्क्रीन पर कुछ देखा, इस ट्रेलर को देखते ही हौसला आसमान छूने लगता है। आसान नहीं होता ऐसी कहानियों को कहना, ऐसे किरदारों को निभाना जो किसी की कल्पना से भी ज्यादा जाबाज होते हैं। And now, let me talk about someone. Air Marshal Vinod Pathe, a recipient of the prestigious Sarvottam Yuddha Seva Medal. He was the air officer commanding in chief of Western Air Command during Kargil, overseeing the entire operation and facilitating his golden arrows with all his might and prowess. And playing Air Marshal Vinod Patne is none other than Mr. Adil Hussain. Good to see you, Adil sir. Always good to see you. और इस सीरीज में आप मिलेंगे ग्रुप कैप्टन आलोक चौधरी से, AKA Chao sir. After squadron leader Ajay Ahuja made the supreme sacrifice, Group Captain Alok Chaudhary, then squadron leader, took over as flight commander and was instrumental in overseeing 70, which he was awarded the Vayu Sena Medal. He was also closely involved in the design and filming of the flying sequences for our series and helped ensure authenticity. Group Captain Alok Chaudhary, played by Mr. K.C. Shankar. As taper as it gets, Mr. Shankar and Mr. Hussain. In fact, if I can share my microphone, or we could just go ahead and have a... Ouch, ow. What a fabulous experience it must have been for all that you have seen in this.
Okay, so I have a story to tell. 12वीं में लोग डिफेंस फोर्सेस के लिए एग्जाम देते हैं, तो मैंने भी दिया था एग्जाम एंड मैं रिजेक्ट हो गया था बिकॉज ऑफ अ फ्लैट फुट. एंड इनफैक्ट नाउ उस वजह से दो चीज़ें हुई. आई एम एन एक्टर टुडे and I also got the opportunity to play Indian Air Force officer, and it also completes a full circle because my father is also an Air Force veteran. Yeah, he retired as a wing commander, so it's all good. So double whammy for me. Thank you so much for the Netflix team for this incredible show that they've supported. And the Indian Air Force, they've been so gracious. We got access, unprecedented access to all the Air Force stations. We got to sit inside planes, touch buttons that we weren't supposed to. Incredible. Yeah, so thank you so much.
You have to tell us our stories, sir, with that.
Right. Good evening, everybody. It's a pleasure, privilege, and honor to be part of such a show, and I'm sort of, I have the audacity to stand in front of the real heroes, and we're pretending to be heroes. I also, first time I remember sitting on a veranda of a friend's house when I was 5 years old, and he asked me, what do you want to become? I said, a pilot. And my mother took me away from Sainik school, and she convinced my father that he should not continue in Sainik school because I don't want my son to be killed in the battlefield. And here I am. An actor and playing AOC Vinod Patne. It's an honor and a privilege. Thank you so much for letting me part of this show. Thank you, Netflix. Thank you, Air Force, for being so generous. Thank you.
I'm glad, sir. I'm glad you brought the story to life. I request the cast to kindly take a seat.